takes a village. This festival is so awesome. Yeah, that's what Alaska's all about. Stop for the person that's pulled over the side of the road. No pebble mine, no pebble avalanche. Puppet masters, they come to town with the lies that their trade will bring. One-time job, a one-time check for 100 salmon streams. When it still comes down, they'll cut and run. We see this all be. Although the promise to make you whole, your way of life will be no more. Her veins of gold, her brains of silver, they're floating through the mountains and become a mighty river. Salmon are the blood of life, don't take don't bury Mother Earth in a pebble avalanche. No pebble mine, no pebble avalanche. All the richness that's in our lives is not a thing that gold can buy. And all the things we think we need, they cannot stand the test of time. Wilderness and a fishery, that's the lasting legacy. Open road upon our land, that's not progress, it's insanity. Afraid to go. No pebble mine, no pebble avalanche. No pebble mine, no pebble
Where's Denise? Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Jim.
Whoever's gonna sing this with me, get out.
Here's our
Jim's got one more thing to say. Thank you guys so much for being here. Tim is our ambassador of good times and